Ematot, it's going to be very important. It's going to be very, 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 very important that we get to unpack Ikamalam Dingubutlu, Dingunulali, Wegungai, and today we're talking everything justice for justice for we have a lot of questions. We have a lot of questions as a country, and time has come that we get to unpack those particular questions. Between me and you, a lot has happened. A lot has happened. A lot has happened. Currently, as we're sitting, the NPA said to have closed the case around November 2024 because there was no evidence. Then the revolutionary, that is the mother of the victim, made it to a trend around April 2025. We have a lot of questions between me and you, and we're not going to rush through this. I therefore decided that, maybe I should go and get to the bottom of this matter. Maybe I should go and speak with the right people. I have traveled. I have gotten to the head office of Zwelitsha, that is Mxenge, the South African Police Services head office in the Eastern Cape, and that is where I am going to unpack what went down. So I took it upon myself to find out exactly who is this lady that the whole country is on a standstill. We are backing one person that we do not know. And I took it upon myself to research. So I traveled about 6 hours from the airport to Zwelitsha, from Zwelitsha to Mount Alive. That is Ilali, the community where Umama Kacwecwe grew up. Her mother is there. Her father is there. Her family is there. Have a look at what the community had to say about Umama Kacwecwe. Then I proceeded to pursuing this story, and I went to see the investigative officer, the prosecutor at Emadatiela. And here we are to get answers from the police, from the court, which is the NPA, from the community on the ground. What are they saying? What we want is answers as a country. I've taken it upon myself to find those answers for everyone. What the prosecution authority people had to say, what people on the ground had to say, what the school has to say. I've got all those details.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ulungelo aqabashi TikTok alidume kakhulu uze nenye njengoba uthi uhambe uvakashela ala kwakhulela khona uma kwaQwecwe, wayovakashela sikolo, uvakashe everywhere just to get information about lenzaba yaQwecwe and uma kwaQwecwe. And uthi Mzansi, you're gonna be shocked. Uthi njeni indoleni oshaqeka yona nito shaqeka story uthi ningawarinine utawundi live today anatise. So more information is coming as soon before the end of the day, whereby you guys will know ukuthi what really are going on here, because siyati ukuthi some people are saying ukuthi mune manga mawaqoqa, but some are saying ukuthi uqinisile. Guys, liqiniso latiwa nguye makacwece I1, and as much as people are now dragging her, I think it's really unfair for people to drag her, and it's really unfair for people to drag labantu labathi bona abambelieve kumakoqoqo. Uyabo, so mune muntu lana ubeliever kula believela kuwo, sama saying ukuthi unemanga, sama saying ukuthi cha bona bayamthemba njena akekho nje makela ngaqamba manga angenza abalenje. So guys, tikaqarisa tophuma but the truth will be out. Uthi Lungelo Qapashe ningawari nina mina nginiphethe ubambelalani kimi nje niyothola sonke story uthi niyosala nibambela ngaphansi mlomo anishaqekile ukuthi kahle kahle kwendakalani like this story. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.